Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the Mloong X Dragon gaming desktop, a high-performance pre-built designed for serious gamers and creators. At its core is the AMD Ryzen 7 9800X3D, an 8-core, 1/6-thread processor that boosts up to 5.2 GHz. It handles competitive gaming, streaming, and multitasking without slowing down. I ran multiple apps alongside gameplay, and everything stayed smooth and responsive. Graphics are powered by the RTX 5070 Ti, with 16 GB of GDDR7 VRAM, delivering strong performance in modern AAA titles with ray tracing enabled. Visuals look sharp, and frame rates stay consistent even on demanding settings. You also get 32 GB of DDR5 RAM at 6000 MHz and a 2 TB Gen 4 NVMe SSD. So load times are fast and file transfers feel instant. Cooling is handled by a 360mm ARGB liquid cooler with multiple case fans, keeping temperatures stable while adding a clean, customizable look. It includes solid connectivity and an 850W power supply to support the hardware inside. The white chassis may not suit everyone's taste, but it definitely stands out. Overall, the Mloong X Dragon delivers powerful performance, modern hardware, and eye-catching design in one ready-to-go gaming desktop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.